In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Booksy works with a full tutorial explained. Booksy is your go-to platform for booking appointments for a variety of services ranging from haircuts to spa treatments. To get started, head on over to the Booksy website. This is your launch pad for accessing everything Booksy has to offer. Once you're on the site, take a glance at the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the sign up or login option. If you're new to Booksy, you'll want to sign up first. But don't worry, the process is seamless and user-friendly, guiding you step by step through account creation. Once you're logged in, you'll have full access to browse the website. This is where you can explore an array of services. Whether you're looking for a barber or a nail salon, Booksy has an extensive range of options for you to choose from. As you scroll through, you'll notice that Booksy also provides recommended services based on what's popular in your area or your past selections. This feature helps tailor your experience and bring forward the best choices available. Now, when something catches your eye, click on your preferred service to dive deeper. By doing so, you'll open up more details about the shop and service. This includes reviews, price lists, and available slots, making it much easier for you to make an informed choice. Once you're settled on a service, you can search and discover what else is offered at the shop you've selected. This is a great way to maximize your visit, perhaps by adding multiple services all in one appointment. After deciding on a service, the next step is booking. Simply click on the Book button. This is where you can choose your preferred time slot and date. Booksy's system is straightforward, providing a calendar view so you can easily match the service availability with your schedule. With your selections made, continue to the summary page. It's crucial to check the details here before confirming. Ensure that the service, time, and shop location all align with your expectations. When everything looks perfect, it's important to recall that Booksy has a cancellation fee policy, so make sure your plans are set. Finally, if all the information is correct and you're happy with your selections, go ahead and click Confirm. Congratulations, you've just booked your appointment with Booksy. This process is designed to simplify and streamline your booking experiences, allowing you to focus on what really matters, enjoying the service you've chosen. Thank you for joining this tutorial, and we hope Booksy enhances your appointment booking capabilities seamlessly.